Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding and subtracting fractions. This video will extend the previous lessons a little further by introducing both addition and subtraction for each example. Now let's do a very quick revision of the examples we did previously. 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Since the denominators are the same, you just add the numerators. So 2 plus 3 is 5, so the answer is 5 over 7. 4 over 5, take away 1 over 5. The denominators are the same. 4 take away 1 gives you 3, so it's 3 over 5. So now let us look at combining the two operations. Here's an example. 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7 take away 1 over 7. First thing we note, the denominators are all the same. So all we do, we go through the operations with the numerators. So it's 3 plus 2 minus 1. That's why I have 3 plus 2 minus 1. Now we work from left to right. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 take away 1 is 4. So the answer is 4 over 7. This sum here, the denominators are all the same. So we have 4 minus 3 plus 5. I have written that down there. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 over 11. This sum here, always check that the denominators are the same. 11 minus 2 minus 3. I've written that there. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 over 13. With this sum, denominators are the same. 1 plus 7 minus 3. There it is there. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 over 10. Now we can simplify this as we saw in previous videos. So what number divides into 5 and into 10 evenly? 5 does. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So the answer is a half. This sum here, denominator is the same. 11 take away 7 plus 5. 11 take away 7 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So it's 9 over 12. What number divides into 9 and into 12 evenly? 3. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So 9 over 12 is the same as 3 over 4. This sum here, all the denominators are the same. 8 minus 4 minus 2 plus 1. I've written that there. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, so it's 3 over 9. What number divides into 3 and into 9 evenly? 3 does. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3, so the answer is 1 over 3. This sum here, all the denominators are the same. 14 minus 7 plus 4 plus 1. 14 minus 7 plus 4 plus 1. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 over 15. What number divides into these two evenly? 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that's the answer. So in this video we've seen how to add and subtract fractions and simplify the fractions in the answer where necessary.